Hi friends, it's Miss Renee. Today we're going to do another science activity together. This one is all about water pollution. Not good. I'm going to show you how all of the water in nature is connected. So little streams are connected to bigger streams, and they go into rivers, and they go into lakes and oceans, and all the water is connected. So if we do something to one of those things, it happens to all of them. So I'm going to show you what we're going to do to show you how that works. For this experiment, you need some kind of a tray. I'm using a glass baking dish because it's easy to see, but you could use a cookie sheet, or a plastic tray, anything, any kind of tray. A paper towel, and you're going to put that down. I folded mine in half because it didn't fit. Put that down in your tray. And then you need a cardboard egg carton. It won't work with a plastic one. It has to be cardboard. And you're going to rip the top part off. We don't need that. You set that aside. And then you're going to put the egg carton on top of the paper towel in the tray. Each of these little cups in the egg carton, we're going to pretend is a different kind of water source. A little stream, a bigger stream, a creek, a river, a lake, an ocean. Okay? So you also need water, pepper, or when I read online it said flaxseed. I didn't have flaxseed, so I used pepper, and the pepper works. So black pepper, and then whatever color food coloring you want. So we're going to fill our water sources up with water. So we're just going to pour it in, and you'll watch it goes from one to the other as they fill up. You might have to pour kind of slowly. There it goes from the stream into the creek, into the river. And we're going to keep pouring until all of the holes have water in them and they're full. All right, it looks like they're all connected. The water went into all the different water sources. Now, we're going to pretend that the black pepper is pollution or litter. Somebody littered or polluted into this little stream over here. So watch what happens. Here comes the pollution. Ugh. That nasty, gross pollution. Somebody made the water all dirty at this end of the stream. And look what happens. It moves through all of those different water sources. So when you do something to this little stream over here, it ends up out in the ocean. Pollution is not a good thing. Now we can also do it with food coloring. I'm going to put 10 drops of food coloring in a cup at the other end. We put it at this, we put the pepper down here. I'm going to put the food coloring here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I chose blue. You could choose any color. I just thought the blue was easy to see in the water. And I'm going to stir it a little bit because water moves around. Get it going. Look, if that blue food coloring was pollution, it's moving all through our water sources. So people might not think about it when they put a little piece of garbage near a stream, but then if it ends up in that stream, it goes all the way through and goes out to the ocean, and it has a big effect on things. I want to show you, you're going to let that sit for a little bit at home. Okay, so you did the experiment, and then you're just going to leave it alone. You can watch it because you can see the food coloring moving this way, and you can see the pepper moving that way. But here I have one that I made earlier this morning to show you. Not only does the pollution affect all the different water sources, but look, it seeps out of the water sources and into the ground around it. See how the blue food coloring, and there's some pepper, and my water is now on my paper towel and in my tray? It seeps out into the ground, and then the pollution and the nasty stuff that's there gets into the ground, and that can affect plants that are growing there. That might kill the plants or make them sick and not be able to grow. It also gets into our drinking water. Yuck. We have to be very careful not to pollute. It's never okay to litter, but especially not near water, because it's very easy for something to blow into the water, or it gets washed into the water when it rains. So this is what happens. One little bit of pollution has a big impact on everything. We're all connected. So I hope you had fun with this. Give it a try at home. And see, oh, look, before I go, this one is starting to seep out of the egg carton into the ground around it. See the blue? So if that was a chemical or poison, Now that's out of the water and into the ground. Not good. So give it a try at home. Watch the pollution move through the different water. Watch it seep out. And come back and see me soon, and we'll do some more fun science together. Bye.